No, but truly, this is an absolute honor to be celebrating your love in this absolutely stunning chateau. It's nothing short of a fairy tale and no doubt a memory that everyone here will cherish. She is someone you can always rely on, someone that, you know, who's there for you no matter what. Although I could go on, and though I often call Kristina my wifey, tonight is unfortunately not our love story. After meeting Fady, I saw right away what Kristina was drawn to. A kind, generous, smart, and just overall sweet person. And did I mention handsome? And well, the absolute perfect match for my bestie. From the get-go, these two have demonstrated how much one can learn through a partnership rooted in friendship and shared values.
And that's love. That's what you guys have. So, I mean, I speak for everyone here today to say that it's been an absolute pleasure and honor to join you on your journey today and always. And we wish you all the best in Singapore, and we're very excited to see what the future has in store for you too. And also how you decorate your spare bedroom. So everyone, please raise your glass. If you don't have something, please fill it up. We're in a chateau in the middle of France. Please raise your glass.
Kristina and I have navigated a lot in our relationship, and I'm so thankful I have found such a strong, beautiful woman to spend the rest of my life with. Kristina, I know we don't always see eye to eye, but I'm grateful that you pushed me to be a better person, teach me things like the human body needs water. And thank you to everyone else here, to all of our friends who put up with our crazy shenanigans, and especially to those who encourage more of said crazy shenanigans. To former colleagues and work acquaintances who have grown to be friends and mentors, I'm so honored you have chosen to celebrate with us today. To my parents who have sacrificed so much, my brother and me, you have always done everything to make sure me and Mina had everything we needed. I know we don't always say it, but I'm so thankful for everything you've done for us. To Kristina's family, thank you for welcoming me into your home with open arms. To Tom and Ingrid, you really treated me like one of your own from the beginning, and especially when I moved in with you during COVID. And of course, to my wonderful bride, thank you for standing by my side and letting me throw this obnoxious party and being the groomzilla I've always wanted to be. I love you, and I truly can't wait to spend the rest of our lives together, wherever on earth that may be. So to everyone here, from Kristina and I, let's raise a glass. Thank you.
First, we have Matt and Mina.
So I ball so hard, niggas wanna find me. But first, gotta find me. What's 50 grand to a motherfucker like me? Can you please remind me? Ball so hard, this shit crazy. Y'all don't know that don't phase. The Nets could go 0 for 82 when I look at you like you look great. Ball so hard, where need to stay here. Ball so hard since we here. It's only right that we be fair. Psycho, I'm libo to go Michael. Take your pick, Jackson, Tyson, Jordan. Game 6, ball so hard, got a broke clock. Rollies that don't tick-tock. All the Mars that's losing time. Hidden behind all these big rocks. Ball so hard, I'm shocked too. I'm supposed to be locked up too. You escape, but I escape. You be in Paris, get passed up too. Ball so hard, let's get faded. Liberties for like 6 days. Gold bottles, soul models. Spilling ace on my sick days. So ball so hard, let's behave. Just might let you meet gay. Shot towns, D-Rolls, moving the next BK. Ball so hard, brothers wanna find me. That's crack. That's crack. That's crack. Ball so hard, brothers wanna find me. That's crack. That's crack. That's crack. That's crack. That's crack. You are now watching watching the throne. Don't let me get in my zone. Don't let me get in my zone. Don't let me get in my zone. These other niggas is lying, acting like the summer ain't mine. I got that hot bitch in my home. You know how many hot bitches I own? Don't let me get in my zone. 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 The stars is in the building, they hands to the ceiling. I know I'm about to kill it. How you know I got that feeling? You are now watching the throne. Don't let me into my zone. Don't let me into my zone. I'm definitely in my zone.